Today, we're diving into the performance and capabilities of the AMD Radeon HD 8970M, a 4GB GDDR5 graphics card tailored for gaming laptops like Alienware, MSI, and Clevo. This MXM board upgrade promises a seamless transition for those looking to enhance their gaming experience without breaking the bank. First off, let's talk about compatibility. This card is designed to fit various models, including Alienware 18, 17R1, R2, R3, M17X, R2, R4, R5, R6, M18X, R2, R3, and certain MSI and Clevo gaming laptops. However, it's crucial to ensure compatibility with your specific model before making the purchase. In terms of performance, the Radeon HD 8970M packs a punch. Built on the GCN architecture with a 28nm DirectX 11 graphics core, it offers substantial power for gaming enthusiasts. With 4GB of GDDR5 memory and a GPU clock speed of 900 MHz, it's more than capable of handling demanding titles at 1080p resolution with high details. Comparing it to its NVIDIA counterparts like the GeForce GTX 675M and GTX 680M, the HD 8970M outperforms the former and sits slightly above the latter, making it a compelling choice for gamers seeking top-notch performance. Installation is straightforward for those familiar with upgrading laptop components, but it's worth noting that some laptops may require a BIOS update for compatibility. Additionally, driver conflicts may occur, necessitating a reinstall of the operating system to resolve any issues. Valley of the Sun, the manufacturer, offers a 3-month warranty and year-long after-sales service, showcasing their commitment to customer satisfaction. With over a decade of experience in laptop graphics cards, they're well equipped to provide premium products and professional tech support. In conclusion, the AMD Radeon HD 8970M is a solid option for gamers looking to breathe new life into their aging laptops. Its impressive performance, coupled with comprehensive support from Valley of the Sun, makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking an upgrade. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.